Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Facebook settings to default both on your Android and on your iOS. So if it is the first time visiting our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing out videos like this. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing is that you simply need to log in into your Facebook account or your Facebook. So have in mind that there's not official setting where you can actually reset your Facebook account. The only way you can reset your Facebook account is by you going to uninstall the app on your iOS. That is for iPhones, but for Android you can simply go and clean your cache memory or uninstall the app. After that, after uninstalling the app, you simply need to reinstall the app and insert your Facebook logins. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.